We send love, light, respect from these sacred lands of the Maya land. And feel very happy to share with you something very interesting from the Mayan Codex, the Mayan original books, especially in this time when we're talking about how many things are happening and we need a hope. And we research in the ancient texts and the ancient books, we'll find, the ascension and at the same time the connection with the blue people, the blue teachers, the blue masters. But it's important that sometimes we can confirm that in order to know that there is truth. So this is an example. This is a sample of the Maya Madrid Codex, who is now the original is in Madrid, Spain. I just want to show you this because I want you to see, what is the next process. The next process shows you the blue people, the blue teachers, as you see in the upper part clearly. These are teachers who has the blue skin. And they've been mentioned, in different cultures, but especially now focus in the Mayan culture. I want you to understand in profound connection with these great teachers who, according with our connection with the story coming from the Popol Vuh and the Shilambalan of Chumayel, these people came from the Pleiades constellation, the blue people, the blue energy, the people who came here and to have the connection with the Mayas. That is a very interesting thing. So I want you to focus. The skin is blue, in the three aspects, and this is one of the pages of the Madrid Codex. But what is here important, I want you to see. Here is very important to see that the numbers, for example, the two bars is 10 plus three dots represents 13. And again, here is represented the same. So 13 is a number who is the symbol of the 13 levels, the 13 dimensions. They call the Osh, Lahun, Tikkun. In other cultures, they call the Ein Sof or the Sat in the Hindus, as an example. So this is the absolute, the connection with the people who descended in the time of the Mayas, spiritually, and connecting with them, giving to them messages that now we can be able to transmit to you. This is the intention of these Mayan updates now from the 24th to the 30th of April 2022. This is the intention that we first understand that the blue color represents the connection with the cosmos, represents the connection with the sky, represents the connection with heaven, represents the connection with the pureness, with the clarity, the balance, the harmony between your three levels, body, soul, and spirit. And this is why, the Maya Madrid Codex, the Pro-Cortesian Codex, is showing us these special teachers who went, to see the Mayas in the Mayan times, and the Mayas, draw them in their books. One of the things I want to share with you is, what is the meaning of these five symbols who are close of these two great teachers. This one is an scribe and is looking, completely with a ink ball, and the other is an astronomer who is observing, to the stars. So the meaning or the significance of this phrase goes in this way. The blue teachers, they were called in the Mayan times with the name or the word Yash, means blue, men. Men is the teacher, is the great master, the initiated. The meaning of that phrase with the five symbols said the sunlight over you, over your life, who get, is to get the pearl, of the knowledge, and who is going to guide you to elevate your light vibration. So means that with the light who's coming from the sun, when the spiritual light that is over us, we are able, to get the pearl of the knowledge, who's going to give to us the opportunity to ascend to another level or frequency or vibration in ourselves, getting, of course, the objective, who is the light. The purpose of all of us now is to ascend ourselves to the level of the light, to the frequency, to the vibration of that consciousness, that pureness, that balance that is necessary for all human beings now, connecting with the levels of understanding, harmony, balance, joy, peace, healing, and many other things. So the blue color, imagine the blue color. The blue color is considered in the Mayan color the most beautiful color that we have still in areas like Bonampak, the place of the paintings or the place of the murals. Still we can see that beautiful, profound, deep color who still is there for more than 3,000 years. The murals has been there still in Bonampak, an area close to Palenque. So I want you to have that connection today with the blue color, with the YAAX-MEN, with the teachers who came from the Pleiades, given to you the opportunity that you get the pearl, you get the diamonds of your life, and with that energy which is coming from the sun, activate, arise your energy, your own energy to the level of the light. This is the message that is coming now from the Mayan calendar in these Mayan updates. Let's do now our connection. Father, Mother, thank you for to give us the opportunity to connect with the great Mayan teachers, with the blue skin, with the blue light, with the pureness, the ones who came and transmit to the Mayas, and now to us, the cosmic wisdom, the great knowledge, to help us in this moment to ascend our vibration, our frequency to the level of the light, to the level of the consciousness. Our frequencies now needs to be always connecting with that process of balance and harmony. So the sound that is coming from that beautiful constellation called by the Mayas Sabcam, the rattlesnake constellation, when the blue teachers, the blue people, the blue men descending from the Pleiades constellation, according with the Popol Vuh, to share their life and their knowledge with the Mayan people. So the sound of this mantra is YAAX-MEN, 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 YAAX-MEN. Imagine yourself in this moment receiving this beautiful sky blue color over all your being, your physical and internal bodies, connecting with the blue color, activating the healing, the love, the life, the light, peace, kindness, harmony, balance, joy, enthusiasm, and all the gifts you can imagine for yourself, abundance, but especially in this time to connect again with the blue people that with the Father, Mother's will allow them to come and to be part of the evolution of this humankind. Thank you, Father. Thank you, Mother, for to send us these great teachers from the cosmos to the Maya land, and now still in the Mayan books, codices, we can read their messages to all of us. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Send love and light, abundance, harmony, peace, healing to our planet, all humankind, and to all the living beings. So be it, so it is done. So be it, so it is done. So be it, so it is done. In lak'ech, alaken. Now take a moment for you. Take a breath. 3 times. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Imagine this blue color in vibration with your being. Enjoy your 7 levels of energy vibrating with this beautiful blue color. This connection with the sky, connection with harmony, with the healing, the peace within you. Open your eyes. One of the things always I have in my mind is, even the ones who came to Mexico, the Spanish, they tried to destroy our culture. But in some apparently fortuitous thing, these books escape of that burning in 1564 in Mani, Yucatan. And I think that is the real treasure that we need to see with another eyes and with another perception, getting the new messages, because the Mayan calendars are, connecting with the sacred wisdom who came with these blue teachers, but still, the message is there. So thank you for your attention. Receive the blessings and giving you the in lak'ech alaken.